My friends, one of the most annoying travel problems is landing in a new country and realizing your phone basically becomes useless without the internet. No maps, no ride app, no hotel details, no messages. And if you use roaming, you might end up paying way more than expected. My name is Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Saily, an eSIM app that helps you stay connected while traveling without buying a physical SIM card or dealing with expensive roaming. Instead of waiting until you land and trying to figure out mobile data at the airport, Saily lets you prepare everything before the trip starts. In this video, we'll see how it works, what features it includes, and whether it actually makes travel connectivity easier. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there, including best Saily offer. Let's get into it. Mates, Saily is a worldwide eSIM service that lets you buy mobile data plans directly from your phone. It works in over 200 destinations, so before your trip, you can choose the country or region you're going to, buy a plan, and install the eSIM inside the app. The idea is simple. Instead of looking for a SIM card at the airport or using expensive roaming, you prepare your data plan in advance. Then, once you arrive, your phone can connect to a local network, and you can start using mobile data right away. Saily is also brought to you by the company behind NordVPN, so it has a stronger focus on security than a basic travel data app. Along with mobile data, it can help block malicious sites, trackers, and annoying ads while you browse. My friends, let's jump into the app and see how Saily actually works in real life. The first thing you do is download the app on your phone. Once you're inside, you can search for the destination you're traveling to. For example, if I'm going to Turkey, the United States, Thailand, or another country, I can just type it in and check out the available data plans. Here you can pick the plan that fits your trip. If you're only traveling for a few days, you might go with a smaller package. But if you're staying longer, using maps every day, uploading content, checking emails, or working remotely, then a bigger plan just makes more sense. Guys, this is one of the things I really like about Saily. You can see exactly what you're paying for before the trip even starts. It's prepaid, so you don't have to stress about surprise roaming bills later. You choose the amount of data, buy the plan, and know the cost upfront. After you choose the plan, the app walks you through the eSIM installation. You don't need to insert a physical SIM card or visit a mobile shop. You just follow the steps on screen, install the eSIM, and have it ready before you even leave. You will also get a 15% discount if you use my code DanielTech at checkout. Then, when you land at your destination, the eSIM activates and connects to the local network. That means you can open your map, order a ride, message your hotel, or check your booking without hunting for airport Wi-Fi first. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, another feature I genuinely like here is data tracking. Saily now has a widget that lets you monitor your data usage right on your phone screen. So instead of opening the app every time, you can just glance and see how much data you've got left. That is actually super useful while traveling, because data can disappear faster than you expect. Navigation, social media, background apps, video calls, and uploads can all eat through it. With the widget, it's way easier to stay on top of things and not run out of data at the worst possible moment. The app also has its own reward system. You earn points when you purchase plans or refer a friend, and then use them to bring down the cost of your next plan. But now the platform is taking this feature further beyond just mobile data. Friends, you can actually use Saily credits for travel perks. We're talking about things like lounge access, Uber vouchers, and more. So it's not just keeping you connected, it's also throwing in little upgrades that can make the whole travel experience a bit more comfortable. There is also Saily Ultra, which is built more for serious travelers. This plan comes with unlimited international data, credits back, a NordVPN subscription, lounge access, and a fast-track pass. So if you travel a lot or hop between countries regularly, this is the kind of plan that just makes more sense than buying separate data packages over and over again. And guys, the service also has 24/7 support through live chat. That actually matters, because if something goes wrong with your connection mid-trip, you don't want to sit around waiting for business hours in some other time zone. You want help right when you need it. Another solid update is Business Solutions. The service now has eSIM plans for employees, and you can find out more about that inside the app by heading to your profile. And overall, the whole thing is pretty straightforward. You download the app, choose your destination, pick a plan, install the eSIM, and travel with mobile data already sorted. Then inside the app you can track usage, spend credits, browse travel perks, and check out business options if that's something you need. So yeah, guys, traveling with a dead phone or a sky-high roaming bill is just not it anymore. Saily is one of those tools that quietly solves a real problem, and once you use it, it's hard to go back to the old way of doing things. What I appreciate most is that it's not trying to overcomplicate anything. No contracts, no hunting for a SIM card at some sketchy airport kiosk, no guessing what the final bill is going to look like. Everything is clear, everything is in one place, and you set it up before you even pack your bag. And the fact that it keeps growing, adding perks, rewards, ultra plans, business solutions, it feels less like a SIM app and more like an actual travel companion that evolves with the way people travel today. Don't wait and install Saily app now before your trip. Use my code DanielTech or go to the link in the description to get 15% discount. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.